Fixer-uppers can be affordable entry into the Raleigh market, but they come with both benefits and challenges. Let's explore the pros and cons so you can decide if a fixer-upper is right for you. So what are the pros? Lower purchase price. Often fixer-uppers are priced well below market value, giving you room to invest in renovations. Customization. You have the opportunity to tailor the home exactly to your taste and needs. And the potential for equity. Strategic renovations can significantly boost your home's value, offering a great return on investments. So what are the cons? Well, renovation cost. Repairs can add up quickly, and unexpected issues like structural problems may arise. Time and effort. Renovations require time and energy and often project management skills. And then there's the stress factor. Coordinating contractors and managing timelines can be overwhelming if you're not experienced. Before you commit, get a thorough inspection and a clear estimate of your renovation cost. I can help you assess whether or not the investment will pay off in the long run. If you're considering a fixer-upper in the Raleigh area, call me at 919-740-0379. We'd love to work with you. Have a great day.